Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a minestrone with Parmesan. So, we've got our soup pot with a little bit of oil in the bottom. We've heated our oil until it just starts to shimmer. Now we're going to go in with our garlic, and our onion, and our carrot to begin, and our celery. Add a pinch of salt. We'll crack the black pepper. Okay, we're going to saute this until we just start to see just a little bit of color develop on our vegetables. Then what we're going to do is add in our water, our cabbage, our Swiss chard, our tomatoes, some chicken stock. We've got some potatoes, some herbs, some spinach that we're going to add in. Kind of let this all simmer together. And we've got some turkey bacon that I'm going to go ahead and add in now. That's just basically a flavoring. Give it that nice salty, smoky kind of flavor. Okay, got this about where we want it. I'm going to add the tomatoes in first. That. Going to add a splash of our chicken stock. Just enough to kind of cover the vegetables. Okay, I'm going to go in with about 4 cups of water. And add our cabbage. Add our Swiss chard. This will cook down, so don't be deceived. I'll bring our heat up. Add some more chicken stock. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add our potatoes. Alright. Our spinach we'll add in just a little bit later, but I'm going to go ahead and cover this and bring it up to a boil. Okay, so as we're waiting for this to come up to a boil, we've just tied our herbs together. A little string hanging off. You can leave that outside of the pot so that you can retrieve these later. These will act as a flavoring agent for our soup. Alright, so our soup has simmered away for a while. So we've just got a few more minutes left, so now it's time to add our pureed bean mixture in, and we'll let it cook for just a few more minutes. At the very end, we're going to add in our cheese. Stir this in. And go ahead and take your herbs out now. Nice stir. I'm going to add a little bit of our cheese now. Save the rest, throw on top. Alright. So we'll show you the finished product in just a little bit.